What makes for the best Bitcoin exchange? A number of factors must be considered when finding the best Bitcoin exchange for trading Bitcoins, which will vary person to person depending on factors below. Exchange rate. How close is the exchange rate to the global average price on an index? By comparing a local Bitcoin exchange's prices to a Bitcoin price index, then it is easier to get the best Bitcoin exchange rate. Payment method. You need to find a Bitcoin exchange that accepts your preferred payment method. Different payment methods are called verifying vary fees. Credit card purchases, for example, are often charged for a fee of 3 to 10%, while most deposits with bank transfers are free. Most information about fees can be found in each exchange website. So I'm going to end the video right here. I hope that you've learned what makes the best Bitcoin exchange.